What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, Metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So today I'm gonna update you with some of our trades I have posted on Twitter, and in the VIP I'm gonna share it with you, and let's check where are we heading in the coming days. Let's check Bitcoin, Ethereum, and let's find if we can find a good trade setup today. All right, so let's check first crypto bubble. All are in red today. All are in red. How? What is happening with the market? All right, so mostly are in red and in the same shape. Fear and greed index back to 30. Yesterday we are at 46, so we are here hovering yesterday on this level near the yellow zone. So now we are back to 30. We are slowly getting more fear in the market. So when this level reach this area here, it will turn to extreme fear. That means that the newbies and the panic seller are now selling, buying high and selling low. So that's what fear and greed index mean. And let's check the overall liquidation here from CoinGlass. In the past 12 hours, mostly shorts are getting liquidated. Yesterday, longs are getting liquidated. Today, mostly are shorts, 54%, and around 14.77 million shorts have been liquidated in the past 12 hours. In the past 24 hours, a lot, 64.1% long position, or $53.1 million long position has been liquidated. All right, so I'm gonna share with you some of the trade setups in the VIP. So I have posted it on Twitter. No news today, same. Let's go directly to the chart. So one trade setup here, Engine VIP call, quick long trade. We don't have a lot of movement today, but very small percentage. So this is one of the trade setup in the VIP. So long position here. I have entered the trade, shared my position at 10%, 35, 42, and I've closed my position at 92% or 100%. Two of us again. Nazim Udin is always with me on every trade. So 51%. Here, another update here. So I'm updating every position, closing mine. So I've closed my position. He closed 75% of his position and moved his stop loss back to entry for ENJ trade. And another one here, we have VET. This is a medium-term trade. So medium-term trade is you can hold your position for several days before closing it. Means that the target will take a longer time frame to be reached. So here is one of the VIP call. VET daily time frame update. This was posted August 9. So almost 1 week, guys. VET has been rejected from its monthly resistance. I will show you the chart later. At 0.032 in confluence with 100 EMA. So these are some of the samples of the trade setups in the VIP. No signal. I'm completely against signal. We need to have chart in order for you to understand what are you trading and why are you trading certain position. So here I am looking for a possible short entry around 0.32 to 0.336 area. This area is the monthly resistance in confluence with 100-day exponential moving average here. The risk will be around 4.4% and possible reward up to 13%. If that will get rejected from the monthly resistance while looking for a possible quick long near the weekly support. So we have weekly support. You can long near the weekly support and short on the monthly resistance. The target will be 13% from the monthly resistance. That is still in an overall downtrend. So check price action in lower time frame before entering a position. So here's the let me show you the previous chart. So here's the monthly resistance at around this area that got rejected from the monthly resistance, and here's the chart update, guys. Rejected here, stop loss at around 4.43%. the reward is 13.36. this is the orange line here, 0.02914. so 13% target was hit from the monthly resistance. So that was that 13% reward target hit. Another one here is Ethereum. This was today, I think. Yeah, today. Later, I'm going to show you why this blue line. I'm going to show you why we have shorted Ethereum at this level. So this is a quick trade. Some of the quick trades today. Each short update. 97%. Again, Nazim Uddin joined me on this trade. 100%. Congratulations. Congratulations to the VIPs. 131%. Very good trade. So here's the Ethereum chart, guys. This blue line was the quick short entry a while ago. 2 times Ethereum have hit this target in the 1 hour time frame. So if you're going to check the 1 hour time frame, Ethereum have hit this target here near the blue line, and another one here, drop, and now retesting again. We have another trade setup there in the VIP. Check out the price action before entering a position. If you see a big green candle, don't enter a short position. But if you see like rejection similar to this, stopped exactly on our target, then you can enter a position. Check the 15-minute time frame price action before entering a position. So that's for Ethereum. Next, we have this type of trades as well in the VIP. Some VIP quick trades. So this is also today, OP trade. Long position, I have shared my position here, negative 7%, 25x. I have my OP at 1,400% short. So here, I have set a long position when I saw the candle wick. So 36%. Wasim is joining me on this trade. He have his own trade as well. So also here's the update: 82%, 56%, 70%, 103%. Here's another update: closing half, adjusting my stop loss to entry, 89%. I'm good. Quick buck. Okay, so those are some of the trade setup. So now let's move on and check Bitcoin, Ethereum, Engine, S&P 500, Dogecoin, and some of the chart requests. All right. Let me check first some of our live chat. Chills, are you still holding GTC? I've closed some of my position at 100+%. I'm still holding 50% or around 40% of the position. So we have Apratib watching the stream. We have also Harsh Khan Shah second. New destination. Hi Chill, good morning. Sankit Kumar, love your setup. And Mind with Vine. Mind with Vine. I want the same mindset. You know, guys, mindset is also very important in trading, because if you don't have the right mindset, you will get in trouble, especially when entering a position. You will confuse yourself, or you will close your position and not follow your trade because you don't have the right mindset. What an intro. And by the way, guys, before we proceed with our chart, let me give you a disclaimer. The information provided on this channel is based on my personal opinion and for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the channel's content as such. I do not recommend any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your own research and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. Alright, so that was suggested by one of our VIP member, Azura. Are you a VIP member? Azura suggested to record the disclaimer. So that was a good suggestion. Thank you. We have Muhammad Nazim Odin, my trade partner in the VIP. Only football tokens pumping. Fan tokens. Hi all. Jabber Maboob, welcome to the stream. Chills, are you still holding GTC? I'm still holding some of my GTC. I have been trying to join you. All right, you have catch me today. What about Filecoin? Or let's check Filecoin if we still have time today. Give us good chart for GTC, boring market and price action. I hate this move. This is exciting, guys. This is the time where you can relax, walk outside, breathe some fresh air. And also, during the consolidation period, find some good resistance and support level, and you can trade the zone several times. All right, so going back to the chart, let's check BTC. So BTC right now, as discussed in my previous stream or yesterday's stream, if Bitcoin daily candle close below the orange line, we might see Bitcoin revisit 22,600, which is the key level support. And right now, Bitcoin is on its way to visiting this area. We have some small supports along the way, like here, and also this one here. So we have some small support, so we can get some small bounce while Bitcoin is moving towards this target. This previous support will now turn into a resistance for Bitcoin. So it is likely that Bitcoin will revisit this support, then to bounce back up, back to this resistance at $24,400. So first, I think, in my own opinion, I could be wrong, Bitcoin could revisit first this key level support. And then we'll check the price action if we can get a bounce from here, or if we break this level, then we might see possible revisit of this next support for Bitcoin. Same chart, not much movement today, still on the same level. If you're going to check the lower time frame, you can do actually several trades on this channel here. So we have this channel, it's like forming a bear flag. So here you can do some trade. You can short near the resistance trend line, and you can set a long near the support trend line. And right now the price is squeezing in between the resistance and support, and as what I've mentioned earlier, this is in the lower smaller time frame, 1 hour time frame, and as what I've mentioned previously, based on my own experience, if price is being squeezed between support and resistance, it is likely to break down. So let me check EMAs if we can find some support or resistance using EMAs. So all of these EMAs right now will act as a resistance for Bitcoin. Let's check the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, this EMAs right now, red line, this is the 50-day EMA, and we have orange line 100-day EMA is acting right now as a resistance for Bitcoin. All right, so this will be the range, our range for Bitcoin in the coming days. This will be our range here. All right, so that's for Bitcoin, guys. I'm gonna share this chart later on in the VIP Bitcoin's channel. All right, so moving to Ethereum, this blue line is acting as a resistance for Ethereum, as what I have pointed out previously in the previous stream. If you're going to check the not the daily time frame, you're going to check 4-hour time frame, or 1-hour time frame will be good. 1-hour time frame. Here, Ethereum loves to do this price action, and remember, we have a previous long position at around this area. This blue line, we have a previous long position here, and our target is this red line. So here, if you're going to check, we have this falling wedge, but this is what we have discussed previously. Here, this was the support for Ethereum, guys, and Ethereum loves to do this price action. Let me just give you a quick review. Here, similar price action for Ethereum, another one here, and also here. So Ethereum loves to pump, revisit the previous support, and pump back up. Another one here. Ethereum pump, revisit previous support, then continue its pump. Another one here. Support, pump, revisit previous support, then pump back up. So same here, we have a long position. I've shared a long position previously in Twitter and in the VIP. Long position here, target at around this area. And we have hit the target right now. This previous resistance will now serve as a previous support, will now serve as a resistance for Ethereum. So watch out for this level, and later I'm going to show you some of the trade setups in the Discord group. I'm going to share what's inside the Discord and what should you expect inside the VIP. So here, this blue line right now is acting as a resistance for Ethereum. So if Ethereum fails to break this blue line, our next target will be this support right here at $1,766. So that's for Ethereum. This is already a breakout, guys. Breakout from its rising wedge. Rising wedge is a bearish pattern, and overall, the target of this long term will be at around $1,440 if this supports fails to hold. So let's check in the coming days. Right now we are playing this trade each level. This will be our playing field until here, this red line. This will be our playing field in the coming days for Ethereum. All right, so let's move on. I have been trying. All right, please say something. I'm waiting. Would love to join the group. Say something. Please say something. Something. All right, so moving forward, here we have engine. Didn't move the entire day. I have my long position. My camera's dead. 1 sec, guys. Let me just Charge my camera. All right. So we're back. We're back. So engine, guys, my camera's dead. Just charge it. Right. So going back to engine.
Information provided on this channel is based on my personal opinion and for entertainment
Going back to engine, guys, I have set a long position here, this white line, and
you should not treat any of the channel's
still
content as such.
hovering
I do not
on the
recommend
same
any
level,
cryptocurrency should be
not
bought,
sure
sold, or
if
held by
it's
you. Do
going
conduct your
to
own
break
research
out
and
to the
consult your
downside
financial
or
advisor before
bounce
making any investment
from
decision.
its support trend line. So here, if I'm going to zoom out, or if we are going to check the daily time frame for engine, watch out for this, because this could still stochastic RSI is ready to bounce. It's already in the oversold area. MACD is still looking weak. Moving average, what's the letter C? Coins, what's the C in MACD, guys? Moving average. What's C? C divergence. All right, so looking at the daily time frame, looking at the daily coincide, I forgot the C. Looking at the daily time frame, this could bounce from the support trend line, and this could be a good long position if the support will hold, because looking at the 4-hour time frame here, if we're going to consider the wicks or the support trend line, this could be still inside the support trend line holding. So if we can get a bounce from here, then the risk will be very small. The risk will be very small. Please, being trying to join, make it possible for us. Please make it USDT TRC20. If you want to join using crypto, the link is in the description down below, or here. Can I send this in the copy link? You can just follow the instruction here. Don't know if I can send this. Right? Just follow the instruction there for crypto payment. All right, so going back to engine, guys, if this could bounce, the risk will be very small. If you can set long position here. How many are watching right now? How many are watching? Only 16 watching. So let's do some trade setup here. If you can set a long position here for engine, and if this support will hold, you can set minimize your risk. Stop loss just below this candle wick. So how many percent? Is our risk to reward? Where is that? A long position. We have 1.74%. Just to be safe, let's make it 2%. Just below this. So around 2%. Possible reward, minimum, will be back to this previous resistance here. We have a resistance on this line. Blue line will serve as a resistance. So let me color this white line. So this could be your possible target from this position here. So that's around 4.62%. All right. You want to take a screenshot? All right. All right. Where's my camera here? All right. So were you able to take a screenshot? Hi, chill update for Algorand. Thanks. Give numbers on the setup, please. The numbers, guys, if you don't know how to read the chart, you see this blue line here? There's a blue value on the right side. So this blue line is equivalent to 0.6427. This red line here, there's a value here on the right side. Red line 0.6284. That's the stop loss. White line is the target, 0.6699. All right, so that's for Indian, guys. And we have also a resistance here, so 2 TP zones, but this already have bounced from the blue line as we are discussing. If you're going to check the lower time frame, this have already bounced from the blue line exactly. So a while ago when I was just plotting the lines, engine was trading at around this area just few minutes ago. Right now this is still hovering on the same level. As what you can see, you can do some trades even here. Several trades from this point to this point. How many percent is this? 1.7%. So 100x leverage, that's 170% already. So that's for engine, guys. I'm going to share this in the VIP shortly. And if you remember the engine trade here, where is that? This is the same setup, guys. Same setup. Average opening price at 0.646. So this was the exact trade setup. 0.646, this blue line. So as what you can see right now, this is bouncing from the blue line. Possible targets are the white line. All right, and don't forget the disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. All the charts are for educational purposes only. And by the way, if just in case, if this breaks out to the downside, if the support trend line fails to hold, the next target will be this support here, support zone from 0.59 until from 0.57 to 0.59. That's for engine. All right, so moving forward, next chart, we have S&P 500. And usually Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto, as what we have discussed yesterday, I was expecting a rejection near the resistance area here, and we got a perfect rejection here. So I'm expecting right now S&P 500 to retest. We have some small supports along the way. White line will be the first target. And the key level support that we need to watch out for S&P 500 will be this green line here. Green line at around 4089. So if S&P 500 continues to hold, we might get a bounce and possible breakout and possible target of 4480. And if this fails to hold, then S&P 500 might revisit the lower channel of this falling broadening wedge pattern. And you might ask why this is a crypto channel. Why are you talking about S&P 500? S&P 500, guys, is the Bitcoin, and the rest of the crypto is following the move of the traditional market. So we need to watch traditional market, we need to check the news, CPI report, rate hikes. All of this will be an additional element in our trading, in trading crypto. So all of this will affect the price action of Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto. Let's move on to Dogecoin. Oh, Dogecoin already hit the support. Red line, and we have our short position here. This was shared on Twitter earlier, and also this was shared in our Discord group. So short position, we have another short position here waiting just in case it pumps back up, because this should be the ideal target of the falling broadening wedge pattern. So right now, Dogecoin have revisited the previous support, so I'm expecting a small bounce from here. Small bounce. We have a support trend line here for Dogecoin, so watch out for this as well. Let's check the EMAs. So for EMAs, let me grab some water first. I'll play you some music. Did you enjoy that party music while I'm having my water? All right, so look at this, guys. All of this EMAs are acting as a support for Dogecoin right now. And we have also a support trend line, this blue line. Let me change the color to white. Right, so this is acting as a support trend line. So possible quick bounce here from this area, and target will be very small because this looks like we have a resistance here. For Dogecoin, we have a resistance. Let me color it orange. We have a resistance here, so we might get a bounce and possible rejection. But if Dogecoin manages to break this orange line, Dogecoin might revisit this previous short position at 0.088. But if not, then the next target will be this resistance here, or the breakout point at around $0.069. All right, so that's the last chart for today. What's up? What's up? Chill. What's the next beer to try? Unfortunately, I already finished all my beer and all my wines, so only water for now. So let me show you what you can expect inside the VIP, guys. So here, inside the VIP, we have the server stats, how many members we have inside. We have approximately 400 total members, VIPs around 167, and we have the welcome page or a group here, and you can find some rules, FAQ, we have traders cheat sheet, we have trading ebooks, we have our Twitter post, we have our top gainers here. Very slow, very slow. All right, so we have our top gainers, we have our legends here, 1000% and above. Just a quick tour in our VIP Discord before I check some of the requests. So this page will be 1000% and above, so mostly. All right, so and we have our top 15 cryptos. We have our TA and trade setup for most of the coins. And if you are interested only in trading futures, we have here the futures trade setup. The link for the Discord is you can head on to Patreon and you can support the channel, or you can support me in Patreon, and you can link your Discord account and the bot will add you to the group. So here are some of the trade setups or what you can expect inside Discord. So August 17, so let me just show you some of the trades or some of the trade setup. August 17, we have here CHZ chart update as per the latest stream, and also we have some trade updates here and chart updates. So I will be updating you mostly if I enter the trade. So I will give you some of my trade updates and chart updates here. Another one here, we have Dogecoin. So short position. This was the initial setup. And we have also the result. We have BINGX. This was the previous short. TP123. This is a long-term trade. So from short position here, another short here. And we have also Ethereum. We have XMR. We have ETH. Quick possible short entry. So here's the chart. Not yet reaching the short, so you have plenty of time to prepare yourself and to set a limit order. And we have some updates here and chart update as well. 2 times, 3 times. We have also Bitcoin short. We have engine long position. That's what we have discussed just a while ago. Long position here, and we have some trade updates also here. And next we have Ethereum. This is still new, still waiting. And we have Rune. So still waiting. All right. So let me check some of our show them our SHIB zone. Where is our SHIB zone? The SHIB zone. Let me check. Where is our SHIB zone? Where's SHIB? It's on the top 15, I think. SHIB zone. Here's the SHIB zone. Resistance breakout point. So we didn't monitor the chart, and SHIB already broke out. Our buy zone will be this area here. We previously bought here, and I have sold my spot, and I have my SHIB buddy here, Rashad. So right, let me check. We have Sushib Piruvalor. All right. So let me check some of the requests here. I know there's a request here. Before we end the stream, one more chart before we end the stream. Hit that like and subscribe, guys. Support the channel. So I'll give you a dramatic music while we are waiting for the while I'm looking for the chart request. We have Algorand. Let's check Algorand before we end the stream, guys. This is a request from Shakab20. Algorand. All right, Algorand. Algorand daily time frame. Upload any scalping strategy. Algorand is forming like Bitcoin. We have some noises, all right? We can consider that noises in the daily time frame. All right. Looks like Algorand right now is on the support trend line. Let's check some of the MACD stochastic RSI. Zoom out. Let's zoom out. Let's check first the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame. We have our support here. This is the monthly support. And our monthly resistance. So let's label this first, because this will be our range. Monthly resistance. And we have our monthly support. Check up. So we have our monthly support and monthly resistance. Let's make this red and support green. All right. Let's check the weekly time frame. Where's our MACD? Weekly. All right. So here, one sec. Let's one drop, another one drop. Okay. Support. Let's check the daily time frame, because in the weekly we still have some few gas left in the daily time frame. Here, oversold, pump back up, sold, pump back up. Another one here. So this could be a possible long position near the support, but let's check first. Let's double check just to be safe. 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. I will share this on Twitter. So a 4-hour time frame. Support. Right. 1-hour time frame. This is hovering on the same level. So possible, this could be a possible good long position near the support trend line, guys. We'll just watch out for Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin drop, most of our altcoin will follow Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin continues to consolidate, we might see a pump in most of our altcoins. So going back, let me put EMAs. All right, all our EMAs in the 1-hour time frame are acting as resistance. MACD looking weak in the 1-hour time frame. As what you can see, this is below zero and looks like getting a rejection here near zero. Didn't even reach zero, and 1-hour time frame is still near the overbought area. In the 4-hour time frame, this is about, let me check if we have some divergence here. 4-hour time frame. Four-hour time frame, watch out for this MACD. If this continues to flip above the orange line, Algorand might get bullish. So right now this is still indecisive. This is about to kiss the orange line here. This blue line about to kiss the orange line. So if this cross above the orange line, Algorand could get bullish. But if it gets rejected, then this could drop below the support. But right now this is in the minimal risk area, because this is hovering. We have some noises here, and also we are at this point right now. So possible long if we can get a bounce, and if this support continues to hold, blue line. So possible long, And you can set your stop loss just below the support trend line. So we'll try to manage our risk. 2%. %. You can manage 3% until here, the last support, or let's just minimize the risk. 2%, 2.25% from this green line. So until here, blue line. Let's make this 2 blue lines. Will be the entry zone for Algorand. And TP zone, we have resistance here. So first resistance near the white line will be your TP zone. Another one here. Let's check, huh? How many percent will be the risk to reward? So this could be around 2.25 risk to reward ratio versus 6%. Moonshot, you can say until this level here. Moonshot. Moonshot, all right? So this will be our trade setup. We have our moonshot. All these white lines will be our TP zones and stop loss. So risk to reward ratio is 2.25 by 6%. That's for Algorand. All right, so you can take your picture. All right. So picture's done or not yet? I'll just wait here. Where's my camera? So slow. I'm so slow. I'm so slow. Cannot find the camera. All right, never mind. All right, so that's for Algorand, guys. If you have enjoyed this video today, make sure to hit the like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Trade safely, protect your asset at all times, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.